Have you ever wondered how to create standing morph transition in PowerPoint? Well, wonder no more, because today we are going to show you just how easy it is. I'm going to show you about the morph transition in PowerPoint. Here I already opened a PowerPoint and this is the blank one. You can just see here the click to add title and click to add subtitle is about the text box. Just you can use those and also you can take out. For now I'm just take out. Click on that and use the keyboard delete. Then same way I can just do, click on that and use the delete. So here I'm going to use the picture for the morph transition in PowerPoint. I'm gonna showing you. I'm gonna just design the page cover. So how can I do that? Go to the design and form a background, and here you can see the solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill or pattern fill. Just for now I'm using the picture, and go to the insert or clipboard, where do you want to, but I'm using the insert. And you can insert the picture from a file, browse file on your computer or local network, or you can use the stock images or online pictures, or from the icon wherever you want to use for your presentation. For now, like if I want to use from stock images, let me click on that. Here you can find the stock images for your presentation. Like if I want to use the simple one, this one, let me click on that and go to the insert. And here you can see this is the one background, just you can use for your background. Then let me just choose the picture for my transition. So how can I do that? Or before that I can just use the title. So go to the insert and use the text and draw down here and just write, I can say morph transition. Then let me just increase the font sizes, click on that and go to the here. Now you can see, and you can also customize the slide design. Go to here and use the customize if you want, like this. Select both and use the different color, this one. Now you can see this is the morph transitions about. And let me insert the object, like insert the pictures. Go to the insert tab and go to the pictures and use the online pictures. And here you can find the like animal, apples, atoms, aeroplane background and different kinds of. Like if I want to use for the cat, let me click on the cat and use the cat, select from them. Let me just click and hit on the insert. It takes the several time for downloading the pictures from online, so you need to wait. Here you can find the 5 pictures. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take it to the outside. Then let me do the duplicate slide. So click on the slide and use the duplicate. Here the 5 pictures, so I'm going to use the duplicate slide, the 5. Click on that and now you can see 1 2 3 4 and there will be 5. Now here's the 6 slide. First one is the title heading. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this one for the slide. So take it to here, the one, and resize it. You can use. Then next what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this one and take it to in corner and let me resize it. And take this one to here, this one. The next one, same way, I just click the 4th slide and what can I do, I'll just take it to here and same way I can just resize it and take it to here. When I click over the here, now you can see the resize size is take me to the right point, and you can just resize it, both of them, use and take it to a little bit top, the one. Then what I'm gonna do, I'll just take it this one for here. Okay, then next one I just copy it first, or I can go to the second one, or what can you do, you can just duplicate it. Like if you say duplicate, then it come like this, then just take it to the corner. Yeah, this one, then take it to the here, this one, then same you can just duplicate it, duplicate, and take this to here, so it can be fixed. This one, then take it to here, or you can just send it to back and use the another name. You can give the text box title, you can say, or just you can copy it and take it to here, or what can you do, you can use the bring send to back and use here this one, text for object, then just copy it to the object and take it to here, then send it to back and use this the one be same way I can do, send to back and use different one, this one you can send it to back and use the different text. So now you can see this is the first one, this is the second slide, third slide, text for object, then next one, then slide 6, and here you can just say the thank you, and you can use also the different transition or different design. Go to the shape format and use the different word style and do the little bit bigger. So how can you do that? Go to the home and hit on the increase font size, this one. Okay, let me show you how it will come, but before that I'm gonna just do the morph transition. So how can you do that? Just a little step, just follow the instruction and use for your presentation. Then go to the transition, and here you can find the transition to this slide from beginning. I'm gonna start with the morph. Here you can see this is for the first slide, but I'm gonna use it on the apply to all. So let me click on the apply to all. Now it's apply to the all slide, so you can see in here, and you can also change the duration, the specific the length of the transition you can use. There is a way, just you can use on mouse click or whatever you like. And here the second one, you can see now this is effect to all, but you need to apply to all. When I click over here, now you can see is apply to all, but you can change the effect option from here, like object or characters, whatever you want. Like here this one you can use from here, like if I say the word, so it will come up the like this, then it will come up. Okay, let me show you in the PowerPoint slideshow how it will come. Click on the slideshow and hit click, then it will come up like this, text for object, you can see. Then next one you can see for the next slide. Here same way we can see the another slide as usual, it's coming up in your PowerPoint. Then next one, last one, here is the last slide, it says the thank you. So there you have it, the morph transition in PowerPoint. With just a few simple steps you can create stunning transition that will take your presentation to the next level. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks.